would like to invite Mr. N. Gautam, sir. Please. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so now it's time to felicitate our sponsors, because of whom we've been able to organize this event. Uh, okay, so one of our core organizing committee member, Helen Gibson, she herself is one of the sponsor representing Komatsu. So we have Gulit presenting a token of appreciation to Helen. Thank you so much, Helen. Thank you so much, Komatsu. You have to. Nandini ma'am, thank you so much for being the networking partner, Mindline Private Limited. We would like to appreciate and thank you with the token of appreciation. Thank you so much. And we hope to maintain these relations and continuous support. Thank you so much. We would now like to invite A&B Global Mining, who were the knowledge partners for this event. Kamal sir, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do we have a representative from Master Drilling Group? That? Okay, no worries. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Now I would like to call. Yeah. So this is on behalf of Master Drilling Group Limited. Thank you so much. If we have the team in the audience. Now I would like to invite Professor Rajni Singh. She's teen ISM, and a special mention because she's been trying to carry forward the agenda Women in Mining India across institutes and towards undergrads and postgrads who are still thinking about pursuing a career in the mining industry. So it's very important. So it's very important that we support and appreciate all our volunteers. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so a very important section. I truly appreciate and thank all our panelists and moderators. Helen, would you like to please do the honors of presenting the memento? Yeah. I would like to start with Sohini. Sohini, a personal observation. It was great listening to you. You're a great moderator that way. Amazing on stage. Now I'd like to invite Aditi ma'am, representative from Tata Steel Limited. Thank you so much for taking the pain and being a part of this panel and traveling from Jamshedpur. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite Denise Eaton, representative from Australian Trade Commission. Thank you so much for showing us the support each and every year. Thank you. Can we please have now Jayashree Daga, representative from JMS. Thank you so much for participating in this discussion. We would now like to invite Kamal sir. I think you'll be taking a lot of mementos today. Thank you so much for being a sponsor as well as a very interesting panelist. Thank you. I think so. We would like to hear more of you. Yeah. So this is where we come to the end of the event. A special mention and thank you to the organizing team, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, Debashi Pradhan, Deepika and Mr. Shailendra Kumar. They've been very close associates in helping us organize this event since last year. Thank you so much, PML. And here we come to the end of this event. Thank you to the audience. So, okay, now, I mean, those who want to proceed for tea and snacks, you can, but just a small request from Women in Mining India. I'm sure that this is quite new for the mining industry, but we have some selfie booths. If you can see behind, we'll really appreciate if you can just click some and tag us on LinkedIn. If you're on LinkedIn, that'll be a great support. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I, I, I mean, just taking this opportunity, I truly want to thank my alma mater and the presence from my alma mater today, Indian School of Mines. We had Rajni ma'am and we also have Professor Dheeraj Kumar. It's always, I would never leave an opportunity to thank my alma mater because it's all because of them that we've been able to catapult this momentum. Thank you so much. Yeah, so I think all of us can proceed for snacks and selfies at the same time. Thank you.